Okay, now we're in my fifth lecture. Now I'm going to show you how you put uh, AC power supply on your worksheet. So here you go on the component mode and let's go to the library, and now you want to put a sinusoidal battery on our worksheet or workbench, how do you want to pronounce it. So now here in the keyboard we type we sign. One moment, and as you can see, we are going to have this symbol right here. This is a sine wave, and we are gonna take it. Okay, now we are gonna take one lamp, as we can see here. Okay, and that's kind of it. So we go outside, and we're gonna put one battery. Well, this is not a battery. You can have a battery with an AC current, but okay, this is a power source, and I put a lamp right here. So now we go here and add properties, and now you can see that there are several things to adjust here. Now you can change the amplitude and the frequency. I'm gonna put the amplitude 12, and I'm gonna put the frequency 1 hertz. This is 1 hertz. So let me just show you that that this current here in this circuit is going to alternate. It's going to change its direction. So let me go here and set the animation options and click show wire current with arrows. Okay, so now when we run the program, as you can see, the current, wait a moment, as you can see, the current changes its direction. So the frequency of this power source is 1 hertz, and your eye can register 1 hertz frequency. But if you take 50 or 60 hertz, then you won't see anything here, because you won't register, your eye can't register that frequency. And now you can see here how the illumination is changing. That's because also the current changes its value. So that's I think you already know this stuff. So this is the sinusoidal generator, and I'm gonna show you on an oscilloscope how can you use an oscilloscope, and I'm gonna make you aware that this power source changes its voltage level sinusoidal. So first I'm gonna change this frequency to 50 hertz. Okay, I'm gonna put an oscilloscope here next to the power source. So here you go on instruments, take an oscilloscope. I'm just gonna rotate it, and now you put, let's see, letter D here. You run the program, like here, and now here the green one shows you how it's changed. But I'm gonna calibrate the oscilloscope, so it's gonna be a little nicer to see. I'm gonna first shut down other channels, and I'm gonna bring the oscilloscope to the 0 degrees. Okay, and sorry. It's kind of hard in the program to calibrate. Okay. As you can see now, this is the voltage. This is the voltage. This is the sinusoidal voltage of this power supply. As you can see, it changes its value like a sinusoid. Every AC generator in change naturally. Every AC generators change their voltage level in sinusoidal waves. But you know, there are other types of generators, generator waveforms that we are going to discuss throughout this Proteus tutorial. Okay, so I think now you are familiar and you know how to put a AC power source in the workbench or on the schematic capture of Proteus. And when you want to change the amplitude and parameters here, you just go here and change all you need to change for your purposes. Okay, so that's it for now, and see you in my next tutorial.